Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
What is up, guys? Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. The podcast all about motivating and inspiring you towards living your life on a higher level. This is your 1 minute motivation for today, and here is your quote. You are amazing and strong and brave and wonderful. Remember that. Despite what you think of yourself, you are all of those things deep down. The problem so many people have is that the negativity in this world fuels people with so much doubt and knocks your confidence that you actually forget some of the bigger qualities that you actually always had and still do. Maybe it's time to try and rediscover yourself and remember who you really are.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.